guys gonna be like, what the fuck is she doing? All right. So I mix short coat with cement and I'm painting it on to make it smooth. I have to move that bottom bar because it's in my way and I need the edges to smooth. Because this can't use, so I just get a paintbrush. So I use this to apply. I think it needs a little bit more water though. And yeah, this is not for the kitchen anymore. This has been not for the kitchen for long as well, and I don't even bake. I've never used it. So I use it for my construction work. But it needs to be it needs a little bit more water. So I get it smooth. Then you can't see the joint. After it quailed just a bit, dry just a bit, I'm gonna use the sponge and sponge it. Next is that needs to dry before I can sand that down. So I have a TV bracket then. So if you were thinking I was gonna sand it, no, you can't sand. Bottom go up, which is not smart. It's always from top come down. So now I'm gonna do this side. Look how smooth this come out. When it bone dry, I paint it. Yeah, I'll ignore the electrical wire. That got a solder to put 4 lights up top and abandon this one. So this is my best wall out of all my raincoat walls that I've built. Because I invented, I don't know, but I'm the only one who did it so far, of mixing the short coat and the cement. Not the only one mix short coat and cement, but I see paint on these things for it to look sealed, because it's sealed. So it doesn't show any crack. This is my favorite wall so far. Every wainscot wall I build after each one is become my favorite because I'm better at it. Each one I built. There's a ravine gonna be up there with lights in it. And a floaty shelf is gonna be right here. So yeah. There goes my tea. And I'm painting this wall tomorrow. So this is gonna sun off and paint. Well, it's sun already, just need to paint.